This is the virtual tour of 942 Wescott Trail, apartment 103, here in Eagan, Minnesota on May 22nd, 2021. And it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit, non-smoking. As we come in the unit, we see a fire extinguisher, the entry panel to let your friends in the building. It's about 24 feet all the way down to the end, even though sometimes I've heard that the video makes it look smaller than it is. Got a kitchen island, sort of. Breakfast bar, whatever you want to call it. Plenty of cabinets, as you can see. We're going to scan all the cabinets. A nice and clean apartment. This was redone not too long ago. We're going to look in the fridge just to see how clean it is, so you can kind of see what's the condition of the apartment when you move in. All the shelves are intact. Everything. And the oven, top is like brand new. Inside it's like brand new as well. Self-cleaning oven, so it's pretty easy to keep clean. All you got to do is know what you're doing. Just don't live like a hog. Anyway, so that's that. Kitchen sink, nice and clean. And even under the kitchen sink, you know, sometimes these places got crappy under the sinks, but you know, it's not a bad one here. So that's as we start to get the kitchen. I just turned the light on, so maybe you can see that. We're going to pan back around the kitchen from this side. Hopefully I don't get you guys dizzy as you're reading this or watching it. We're going to go around this way and come down the hall. It's a central air conditioning, it's a window air conditioning unit. Mini blinds on all the windows, vertical blinds. Maybe by the time the next tenants move in, who's ever watching this video, will have new patio doors and new windows. Those are scheduled to be done as soon as they can get to them. Coming down the hallway, we're going to stop here at this closet door. We're going to see there's a washer and dryer. And these are full-size washers and dryers, Samsungs. They do a lot of work for you. And like I say, you put quite a few clothes in them. Full-size washer and dryer. The first bathroom, which is kind of the guest bathroom. It's me in the mirror, I guess. Tub, nice and clean, pretty clean anyway. It's not scummy like I've seen some. Toilet, double flush on the top, you can whatever. So it's pretty nice bathroom, tile floor. So then we're first going to come into the master bedroom. This one, as I recall, it's about 12 by 14, give or take. I can't exactly remember. I can get to those dimensions, or maybe look at the previous video, might have even the better dimensions. I didn't measure just before I started this, so I don't really remember them. Closet, by the way, is those are about 6 feet of doors. The closet extends about 1 foot on either side. It's 2 feet deep. So you got about an 8 foot by 2 foot closet. And just so you know, we'll kind of go in here. Nothing fancy. Closet bar. It's carpeted. It's been painted the same color as the rooms. Some people don't paint the closets. We do. Master shower, master bath, whatever you want to call it. Nice toilet, brand new shower drain. We got that fixed this time around. Shiny stuff. And we're going to come back around, go back through the master bedroom. Mini blinds on the windows. And we're going to look back at this. And we're going to kind of see it's a little area back there. There's more apartments further back, but fence separating, so it's generally pretty quiet out here. So that's and all the apartments will look kind of that way. We're going to come to the middle bedroom here now. Middle bedroom is only about 8 by 10. It's pretty small. Got a 3 foot door, so the closet's just a little wider than 3 feet, and of course 2 feet deep like all of them. Carpet. And we'll look out through the window here once again. We're going to see the area. So nothing fancy, but it is a decent area. And then we're going to come back around, look at a third bedroom. This is the final bedroom. And this is, I want to say it's 13 by 9 or something like that. And we're going to look out the window. That's the window's coming apart there. That's a clean window, but it's on the inside. You can see once again the outside there. And these windows are being replaced. They're on the schedule. They just haven't gotten to it there with this COVID thing. Everything is behind schedule by big time. This closet, in case you're wondering, is the mechanical room. Mechanical closet. We've got a furnace, Goodman furnace, pretty new water heater. Works good. We got all pipes and everything else down here, pretty clean. I mean, it doesn't maybe look clean, but it is clean. And then it's what it is. And we're going to come back to the main area of the apartment. It's all one level once you're in here. It's a little bit of stairs to get here. There's the kitchen once again. We're going to pan back to the outside, American flag flying out front as always. There's the air conditioner, nice and cool in there. It's kind of like a meat locker today. This is the front entry closet when you first come in. Once again, nothing fancy. This one is closet, bar, and rod. So that's it. That's the virtual tour today of 942 Wescott Trail, apartment 103, Eagan, Minnesota, 55123. Here on May 22nd, 2021. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye.